gonna get some diesel fuel here. There you go. Nice little bath. Couldn't find a bigger brush, but this should work. I'm going to put a little bit more in there, let it soak in that for a little bit. See if I can get that gasket to loosen up a little bit. I'll take those fittings out. And you see I took the neutral switch out. I also took the drain out. Here's the oil drain. Crankcase drain, I should say. Gasket's not in the best condition, but it should still work. And then here's your neutral switch. Don't forget to get this copper gasket. That's it. Scrubber, I guess a little bit more. This is what the diesel oil looks like after one cleaning of both of those case halves.